The Infinity Tools 6X folding loupe is ideal for inspecting and measuring small parts and reading fine print. It can even be used to help visually identify wood species and countless other workshop tasks. The lens provides 6 times magnification, and the folding frame helps set the proper eye relief, making it easy to focus on your project. The 1-inch square inspection window helps identify the scale of the viewed subject and has 1/8 inch graduations marked on all 4 sides. A screw-driven pointer helps keep track of your place when using the loupe to determine things like the thread count of a bolt or machine screw. When not in use, this loupe folds up neatly to protect the lens so you can store it in a toolbox, desk drawer, or even a shirt or apron pocket without fear of damage. Pick one up for your workshop or office at infinitytools.com.